What's up, family? It's Fabi here. Today I went to Thrift Town to pick up a few things. Usually don't like to go thrifting. Today I went because I've heard that you can find a lot of unique pieces that a lot of people might not have. So I found these Levi's jean shorts that roughly came out to like $15 for me. I really like them because, you know, it's more like a vintage kind of look, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bottom of these shorts a little bit just to make them look more distressed and more vintage. Go ahead and do that. A few things that you're gonna need in order to do this process is a ruler, some scissors. I have this like razor blade pencil. You can also use a razor blade, and then obviously your vintage pair of Levi's shorts or any jean shorts really. I already went ahead and tried these on and measured how much I need to cut in order for them to be, you know, like above the knee. These were kind of hanging off my knee, and I figured it would be around 2 inches. So what I'm gonna do is grab my ruler and roughly just measure out those 2 inches. And as soon as I see the mark, I'm just gonna go ahead and begin cutting with my scissors right there. So this is something you cannot be afraid to do. You just kind of gotta just go for it, because if not, you might just mess up.
Do it.
Not hesitant. So there you go, we got one. And we're gonna do the same thing the other side. Just make sure you measure it accordingly. You gotta make sure it's strong as possible. Alright, so there we have the 2 little strips. Next, what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab your sharp tool. You can also use a razor blade, or you can even use the end of your knife, your scissors actually. But let's go ahead and just, to get that distressed look, we're gonna just go ahead and roughly just go back and forth here against the seams. And you'll see that they start to kind of come up a little bit and give it that unique look. So what we're trying to do here is actually try to get those threads that are inside of here and just kind of loosen them up a little bit. Just here in a second, we're gonna use some tweezers and do that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm just gonna keep doing this a little bit longer until I'm satisfied. So this is our goal, is to, now we just take out little pieces of the thread, make them come out. Since we did that, we're able to distress them a little bit more. Just do this all throughout the whole shorts, making them more distressed. All right, now that's done. What you're gonna do is put them under the sink and just wet them a little bit everywhere. Essentially what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make them more distressed by soaking them just in some water, and then we're gonna throw them into the dryer, and we're gonna see the results. And here we have the results.
Oh my gosh!
Very distressed.